The world gained a new tool in its search for what's really out there with the successful launch of the most powerful telescope ever created. Bill Nye just revealed an image from the James Webb Space Telescope that NASA didn't want the world to see. This picture isn't just a glimpse into space, it could change everything we understand about the universe. It is so shocking that even NASA can't handle the consequences of it. Are we looking at evidence of something humanity isn't ready to face? Tune in as we uncover the truth behind this astonishing leak that put Bill Nye on the most wanted list. The James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, launched on Christmas Day in 2021, represents years of hard work by NASA's best scientists and engineers. By June of the following year, it was fully operational and delivering data that went beyond anyone's expectations. One of its biggest breakthroughs has been detecting galaxies older and farther away than any ever seen before. Some of these galaxies formed just 150 million years after the Big Bang, meaning they have been around for over 13 billion years. This isn't just a look back in time, it's a challenge to old theories about how galaxies formed and evolved. Before we dive deeper, it's clear that this discovery challenges everything we thought we knew about the universe. And it's not the only revelation that will leave you speechless. The telescope's capabilities extend far beyond studying distant galaxies, it's also revealing groundbreaking details about exoplanets and young stars. By analyzing the light from these objects, scientists can figure out what they're made of, how they move, and even what their atmospheres might be like. Bill Nye has been vocal about the importance of these discoveries, especially when it comes to the possibility of life beyond Earth. With this new data, the chances of finding alien life seem less like science fiction and more like a question of when instead of if. One of the telescope's most stunning achievements has been its new view of the pillars of creation in the Eagle Nebula. This iconic region, famously photographed by the Hubble telescope, has been reimagined with JWST's powerful infrared cameras. What looked like simple clouds of gas and dust now appear as bustling regions of star formation. Protostars, or stars in their earliest stages, are visible as tiny red dots nestled within the dark pillars. These stars are still in the process of gathering mass, and when they're ready, they'll ignite hydrogen fusion, becoming fully fledged stars burning at temperatures of about 2 million degrees Celsius. Beyond the stunning visuals, the JWST is a powerful scientific tool. It's helping us understand how stars like our Sun were born and how planets form around them. Since the 1990s, scientists have discovered more than 3,000 exoplanets, planets outside our solar system. Most of these were found indirectly by watching how their parent stars dimmed when the planets passed in front of them. But JWST's ability to capture direct images of these distant worlds is a game changer. This technology is giving us a closer look at planets hundreds of light years away, like HIP 65426b, a massive gas giant 12 times the size of Jupiter. HIP 65426b isn't the only celestial marvel grabbing attention. The Phantom Galaxy, also known as M74, is another prime example of JWST's capabilities. This galaxy's intricate spiral arms and glowing core have been revealed in unprecedented detail, showcasing the power of JWST's infrared imaging. The telescope's images don't just look pretty, they tell us about the structure and behavior of galaxies. JWST's pictures of galaxies like M74 show us how dust and gas are distributed, providing clues about how stars are born and how galaxies evolve over time. The bright electric blue glow in these images highlights regions where star formation is most active. Collaborations with organizations like the European Space Agency and projects like FANGS are helping scientists use JWST's data to map star formation across 19 nearby galaxies, advancing our understanding of the universe. Another jaw-dropping discovery came in July 2022 when JWST captured images of a Wolf-Rayet star surrounded by concentric rings of gas. These rings are formed by the star's interactions with a smaller companion star, creating a cosmic dance of gas and dust. Wolf-Rayet stars are massive, nearing the end of their life cycles, and JWST's observations are shedding light on how they evolve and influence their surroundings. JWST's ability to see the universe in infrared light is also helping scientists study the oldest galaxies ever detected. By observing redshifts, scientists can determine how fast these galaxies are moving away from us and how far back in time we're looking. One galaxy, with a redshift of 13.2, is the most distant and ancient ever observed. This discovery pushes the boundaries of what we thought was possible and provides a clearer picture of the universe's early days. Closer to home, JWST is helping us study exoplanets like WASP-39b, a planet about 700 light-years away in the constellation Virgo. Unlike Earth, this planet orbits very close to its star, making it extremely hot and inhospitable. JWST's instruments have detected carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and silicates in its atmosphere, revealing a complex and dynamic environment. These findings are helping scientists understand how planets form and evolve and what conditions might support life. Titan, Saturn's largest moon, is another fascinating subject for JWST. With rivers, lakes, and seas of liquid methane and ethane, Titan is unlike any other moon in our solar system. JWST's observations of methane clouds on Titan provide new insights into its atmosphere and weather patterns. Collaborations with ground-based observatories like Keck are helping scientists create detailed maps of Titan's hazy atmosphere and search for new gases. Even objects like the Southern Ring Nebula are being re-examined with JWST's advanced instruments. Once thought to be a simple white dwarf, shedding its outer layers, this nebula is now known to be much more complex. JWST's ability to see in infrared has revealed hidden details about the nebula's structure and composition, providing new insights into the life cycles of stars and the conditions that lead to supernovae and black holes. Perhaps the most tantalizing aspect of JWST's mission is its potential to uncover signs of life. By analyzing the atmospheres of exoplanets and studying the chemical makeup of distant worlds, scientists are searching for biosignatures, chemical clues that indicate the presence of life. The discovery of water vapor, methane, and other key molecules in the atmospheres of exoplanets has already sparked excitement. JWST's unparalleled capabilities are bringing us closer than ever to answering the age-old question, are we alone in the universe? In just a short time, the James Webb Space Telescope has revolutionized our understanding of the cosmos. From capturing breathtaking images of galaxies and nebulae to uncovering the secrets of distant exoplanets, its discoveries are reshaping the way we see the universe. As we continue to push the boundaries of exploration, one thing is clear: the James Webb Space Telescope is only just beginning to show us what's really out